So what's up guys, my name is Joey, welcome to my channel, and if you are new to this channel, I'm the product manager from Team Robosell, and we provide services for Shopify merchants to help them recover more abandoned checkouts. And in the last video, I have briefly introduced what Robosell can do, and in today's video, I'm going to compare Robosell with Shopify email automation. And if you are using Shopify email automation service and you are not satisfied, then this video is for you. So before we dive into that topic, let's talk about why it's crucial to pay attention to abandoned checkout recovery. According to data from Baymard Institute, the average documented online shopping cart abandonment rate is almost 70%. So let's do some simple math. Assuming you are selling $300 this month, and basically that means you have 1,000 orders in total, but 700 of them are abandoned. And those orders are not invisible, they're just lying there in the abandoned checkout list. So what if someone can help you recover 20% of those abandoned checkouts, and that will be 140 orders each month? I think this is a convincing reason for everyone to focus on abandoned checkout recovery. And now let's compare two dimensions. So the first dimension is tactics. There are 5 top reasons for a customer to abandon a checkout. Very high additional costs like unexpected shipping costs and tax. No available coupon codes. Having to create a new user account. Conducting research to buy later. Lack of trust in your site. So Robosell provides a predefined workflow with tactics based on the psychology of consumer and data from Shopify. So you can easily send out SMS reminders, incentive coupons, low stock reminders, coupon expiry reminders, price drop reminders, social proof evidence, and voice of customer by simply turning on those switches. And the different recovery tactics will be sent to different customers. And those tactics can cover most reasons of abandonment. So whether you are a novice or experienced user, you can find both tools and tutorials in our app. And merchants only need to do some basic settings, and Robosell will handle the complex part to ensure the high recovery rate. And then let's take a look at Shopify. So Shopify provides one basic workflow to send out a simple email to recover abandoned checkouts. And although it offers fully functional workflow and email editors, you need to be an experienced EDM user or a quick learner to use them effectively with the help of Shopify tutorials. This can take a lot of time and effort, and no one can guarantee whether you're on the right track or not. And then as dimension 2, the pricing. I think everyone cares about pricing, right? So Shopify's email automation service is free to use, but on average, the recovery rate is between 3 to 5%. And let's take a look at Robosell. So you can recover 100 abandoned checkouts for free using Robosell. And then you can choose a plan based on how many abandoned checkouts you have each month. So considering Robosell can raise your recovery rate up to 15% or even 20%, actually, every merchant can earn back the subscription fee for the whole year during the free trial. And all the after costs were only based on the recovery revenue. So personally, I believe the outcome value-based tools are the future, and Robosell can truthfully benefit your store from the current moment without any tricks. So after this comparison, I think you can make your choice whether or not to choose Robosell. And by the way, don't forget to delete the Shopify abandoned checkout automation to avoid email conflicts if you decide to switch to Robosell. So that's it. If you are interested in recovering more money from your Shopify store, welcome to subscribe to my channel, and hopefully I can help with your business. So see you next time.